Hello, this is the See It, Try It, Speak It, Mia's fun makeup time. Take a moment to look at the image. What do you see? Make 2 to 3 English describing sentences on your own. Pause the video while you do this. Pause now. Nicely done. Did you say Mia is a teenage girl? She is using makeup. She is sitting on a bed. These are some examples of describing sentences you could have made. Now, let's look at the image description together. Mia is a 15-year-old girl with a bright and cheerful personality. She loves makeup and art. She enjoys playing with all the colors. Today, Mia is sitting comfortably in her room, having fun with her makeup. She holds a lip gloss wand in one hand and a colorful eyeshadow palette in the other. Her face is glowing with a big, happy smile, and her eyes sparkle with shimmery pink eyeshadow. For Mia, makeup is not just about looking pretty. It's a way to express herself. She loves trying out new styles and creative color combinations to show her unique personality. Behind her, there is a cozy beige bed and pink walls, creating a warm and comfortable atmosphere. This is Mia's favorite place, where she can freely express herself. Today, she is enjoying her time creating a look that makes her feel happy and confident. For Mia, makeup is not just a routine, it's a magical moment that boosts her confidence. Now we would like you to take some time and do the 10 following questions on your own. So please pause the video while you do the questions. Pause now. All right, are you ready to go over the answers together? Let's do it. Question 1. How old is Mia? The answer is B, 15 years old. The story tells us in the very first sentence. Question 2. What is Mia holding in her hands? C, a lip gloss wand and eyeshadow palette. We can see them in the image, but the story also tells us. Question 3. What color is Mia's eyeshadow? C, pink. The story talks about her shimmery pink eyeshadow, but if you look at the image, we can see the bright pink eyeshadow. Question 4. What does Mia love to do? B, doing makeup and art. The story tells us this clearly, and we see her expression while doing makeup in the image. Question 5. Where is Mia sitting? The answer is C, in her room. She's sitting on her bed in her room. Question 6. How does Mia feel while doing her makeup? The answer is B, happy and confident. She's happy in the image, and the story tells us how makeup makes her feel confident and she's happy doing it. Question 7. What does Mia think about makeup? And she thinks that B, it's a way to express herself and show her feelings and personality. Question 8. What kind of atmosphere does Mia's room have? The answer is B, cozy and warm. She's sitting on a cozy beige bed with warm pink walls. We know that this is the reason the answer is B because it says so in the story. Question 9. Why does Mia try different styles and colors? Again, the answer is B, to express her unique personality. She wants to show who she is through her art and creativity of makeup. Now, question 10. What can we learn about Mia's personality from the story? The answer is A. She is creative and confident, using makeup as her medium to express and show herself. The story tells us it makes her feel confident. Now that we've done the 10 questions, using our ebook, go over the questions again. The ebook will provide you with a detailed explanation as to why each answer is correct. Also, we recommend rereading the image description 2 to 3 more times to make sure you understand, as well as help with sentence structure and vocabulary. And as an added bonus, I recommend going back, looking at the image again, and making many more describing sentences. Practice makes perfect, and practice will help you. In today's lesson, we described Mia. Did you enjoy today's lesson? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification button so we can keep making this content. Please check the ebook link below in the description if you want to purchase it. It is available for purchase only at the Google Store for now, and we're offering a 30% discount for 3 months. No matter how challenging it seems, never give up. English isn't hard when you're with me. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Again, thank you so much for the support. We couldn't do this without you. Please like and subscribe so we can keep making this content to help you on your English journey. And until next time, bye-bye for now.